See all my books. It's my bucket of money. Actually, it's not really a bucket. It's my bottle of money. All right. Welcome back again to the cupboard drawer. Why do I do this with my hands? Here with another short project today. Here we're taking just an ordinary dresser and dressing it up and dressing it up a little bit. I have a theme going in the new apartment with the colors of blue, pink, and gold/mustard. I got this really nice dresser from IKEA. Oh, can I say that? From a big box store? It's not really a box store. From a big, famous furniture store. You know what I'm talking about. And with the current supply chain issues, I was really kind of limited to whatever they had in stock. And I do actually really like this piece, but I want to bring a little bit more of the gold element into it. First thing I did was get these gold knobs from the other big online store. And much like some of those purchases, although not as bad as like that other website that I've actually never ordered from, but I've seen a lot of videos here on YouTube of people who regret what they wished for. In any case, this is the other store. Like some of the things from that website, they don't quite fit. So these knobs came with screws, but the screws are just about ½ an inch too long. I went to the other store, the house improvement store. Why am I trying to avoid saying all these stores? None of this is sponsored. I mean, clearly. In any case, I went to the home improvement store to see if I could find screws that were just a little bit smaller. The problem with some of these products that you get from the first store that I was talking about is that the products are made overseas, and so sizes aren't necessarily standard. So instead of finding a shorter screw, I found some nuts and washers that I placed, can you see this? That I placed here, which is gonna solve for the extra space. Ta-da! As you can see, I changed all the knobs. And now I'm gonna work on the next part. So the other thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to add even more gold to this, but I thought I could add just a little bit of gold edging. Now I could paint this, but one, I don't want to have to go out and buy paint. And I wanted something a little bit more durable because I am pretty clumsy and I'm sure I'll be knocking into this pretty often. So it is right after the holidays. I found this ribbon on clearance at a really big crafting store, at least popular here in the Northeast. The one I went to, I'm sure Michelangelo would have approved of. So here's the technical application. Obviously you need to sand all the edges so that the glue can hold, and for this project I'm going to go ahead and use Mod Podge. I do sections at a time, and I put down a layer and then I let it sit and get a little bit tacky before putting on the ribbon. Then again, in sections, I lay down the ribbon, and as I was going down, I was realizing that I was having a little bit of a hard time. So after I put the ribbon down, I went back and put another layer of Mod Podge on top. Then I let that dry before putting on the second coat, and well, here's what it looks like. Thanks so much for joining me again on this awesome project. This might not be exactly from the cupboard drawer, but it does go to show how you can upgrade a simple piece of furniture with really not that much. Knobs were about 10 bucks and the ribbon on clearance was like another 2. Now this thing is customized for my space, not my space, my new space. Again, I think this came out great and I'm already starting on the next project. Might even be in this frame. If you like this video, please like it below. Again, give me some of your ideas. If you're new to this channel, or even if you're not new, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on The Cupboard Drawer.